Cloud formation and energy. Cooling is an important cause of rainfall. Cooling air parcels can cause clouds to form and rain to fall. What causes an air parcel to cool? This process is driven by energy. When a warm air parcel is surrounded by cooler air, the energy from the warm air parcel is transferred to the colder air until the temperature of all the air is equal. While an air parcel is losing energy, the temperature of the air parcel decreases. The energy transfer that causes the warm air parcel to cool can also cause the water vapor in the parcel to condense into liquid water. This liquid water is what forms a cloud. The more energy the air parcel loses, the more it cools and the more liquid water it forms, making more rainfall possible. When the droplets of liquid water in the clouds become big enough, they fall to the ground as rain. This diagram shows how energy is transferred during cloud formation. As energy is transferred out of an air parcel, its temperature drops. When the air parcel has lost enough energy and become cold enough, water vapor in the parcel condenses, forming a cloud. Joanne Simpson's legacy. Joanne Simpson started her career focused on the beautiful shapes she saw in the sky, wondering how and why the amazing clouds that she saw might form. Simpson's curiosity as a child led her to a pioneering career in the field of meteorology. Her work helped us understand how energy, evaporation, and condensation form the clouds that we see in the sky. Meteorologists today still make use of Simpson's work as they study the weather.